A very good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Welcome to today's English class. In this class, we are learning about the lesson, our first lesson, Swami Vivekananda. Before learning this lesson, just have a look on glossary word, students. Our first word is culture. Culture means the idea, customs and social behavior of a particular people or society. Culture means the idea, customs and social behavior of a particular people or society, students. Okay. Next word is alike. Alike means same. Alike means same. Next word is dedicated. Dedicated means devote. In your language that means samarpana bhava. Devote. Okay. Next word is duty bound. Duty bound means in your language that means kartavya baddha. Okay. Duty bound. To give importance for their work. Okay. Next word is spirituality. Spirituality means the concept of being a good human being. The concept of being a good human being, students. These are the meanings, difficult words and their meanings of this lesson, students. Now, let's start this lesson. Swami Vivekananda's previous name was Narendra Datta, as you know, students. He was as an Indian religious person and a leader who proclaimed love and brotherhood to the world, students. Okay, let us start the lesson. All of you open your textbooks and all of you put your fingers on the sentences. Okay, students, let's start. Lesson number 1. Swami Vivekananda. Come for the first para, students. In this para, writer is describing about our nation. We have a great nation, and about that, our writer is describing what he is telling us. He is describing about our nation. Let us see. Okay. India is a land of many religions and cultures. India is a land of many religions like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Parsi, Bauddha, etc. and etc. So many religions we have in this nation. Not only religions, many languages, many cultures we have in this nation. So that's why our nation is very great nation. Okay. People here means who are living in this nation take both pleasure and pain alike. They are very hard workers and they are getting pleasure means feeling happiness and pain means feeling unhappy. Understood, students? Sometimes they will be happy or sometimes they will be unhappy, but they will get that both feelings like as same. Understood, students? They are getting pleasure and pain as same, students. Understood? Okay. Now for the next line. They are dedicated and duty bound. They are dedicated means they will do hard work. They are not the lazy people. They will give more importance for their work. Understood, students? Dedicated means devote. They will concentrate for their work. Understood? And they are duty bound. They will give more importance for their work. Kartavya baddha. They know about their work and they will respect their work and they will give more importance for their work, students. Understood? Then, in this land means in this country, in this nation, many well-known religious leaders have been born. Many well-known religious leaders as like Swami Vivekananda. So many people have been born like Mother Teresa, Guru Nanaka, Shankaracharya, etc. So many people have been lived or born on this great land, great nation, students. On such leaders has been Swami Vivekananda. In that, Swami Vivekananda also is such as a great leader, a philosopher. Okay, so like this way a writer describing our nation. Here we have several religions and so many cultural and they are having many culture. Okay, and people of this land are very hardworking people, and they will give very important for their work. They are not very lazy people. They are not lazy people. They are very great. They are getting pleasure and pain alike. And in that land, so many religious leaders have been born. They have taught us. They have guided us. In that, Swami Vivekananda also one of them. Okay, one of them. Okay, then come for the next para now, students. Have you understood the first line, first para? Now come for the second para. One day, what happens? Here they are telling about Swami Vivekananda, students, about the story of Swami Vivekananda. Okay, one day, what happens here, students? A small boy jumped out of the coach in which he was traveling and ran to his mother with a smiling face. He pointed at the coachman and told his mother, "I want to be a coachman. How nice it is to drive a coach." See, students, one day a small boy jumped out of the coach. Coach means a vehicle of horses like tanga. Okay, he was traveling by that tanga in which he was traveling. And he ran to his mother with a smiling face. He was too small boy. He was a small boy. So that he wanted to say something to his mother. That's why he ran from that vehicle where he was, which way he was traveling. Okay. He ran to his mother with a smiling face. With smile, he is telling something to his mother. He pointed at the coachman. Coachman means who is driving that tanga. Okay, coachman. Okay, and he told his mother. He pointed at the coachman and told his mother something. You want to say what he has said to his mother. Let us see. I want to be a coachman. Every people having an ambition in that life, no? Like that way, our Swami Vivekananda, when he was a child, he also has an ambition. What was that ambition? He want to be a coachman. Why he want to become a coachman? Because how nice it is to drive a coach. To drive a coach, that is very nice for him to drive a coach. That's why he want to be a coachman, students. Understood? Then see, students, the mother could not, in the next para, the mother could not say anything at that time. At that time, by listening these words, the mother could not say anything. Simply she come to her home. All the parents having a dream on their children, students. As you know, your parents also want to want something from you. Like they want you to be a doctor or an engineer or a teacher, anything. But here, Swami Vivekananda is saying that he want to be a coachman. From this, his mother thought about it, and she doesn't tell anything about this fact. So she went to home. Later, she showed him the picture of Gitopadesha. She showed him a picture of Gitopadesha where Krishna is guiding Arjuna. Okay, in that picture, you have seen, I think, that picture. In that picture, Krishna looks like he is guiding Arjuna. Okay, petted him, see Gitopadesha, and petted him, saying, simply lovingly, petted him means lovingly him saying, "Dear Naren." Naren was a previous name of Swami Vivekananda. So that, "Dear Naren," with lovingly, she told to her son, if you want, you can be if you want, you can be a coachman. If you wanted to be a coachman, then you can. But which kind of coachman you have to be? But you should be a coachman like Krishna, who taught Arjuna. You have to be a coachman. But which kind of coachman you have to be? You have to be like Krishna, who taught Arjuna. You have to guide others. From you, they have to learn something. Understood? Such kind of coachman you have to be in your life. This is the guidance of his mother to Naren. Afterwards, what happened, students? Though the boy did not understand it clearly, it's because he was too small, he doesn't understand anything. Understood, students? Because he was too small. That's why he did not understand anything about that in that time. But afterwards, he became later. He became later what his mother wanted him to be. Afterwards, when he grown up, he became a coachman like Krishna, who taught Arjuna what his mother wanted him to be. He became a leader. He became a guide, whose guidance helped the youth to generate their enthusiasm. Understood, student? Then, the little boy Naren later came to be known as Swami Vivekananda. From his achievements, from his guidance, people gave him a name, Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was not his previous name. His previous name was Narendra Datta. But afterwards, he has named as Swami Vivekananda. A great spiritual leader and India's pride. He was a great spiritual leader and India's pride. Because, see, what is the meaning of spirituality? The concept of being a good human being. He was a spiritual leader. He was a religious person of having good manner, and he told about our Vedanta and yoga, our philosophy, our Indian philosophy to the other Western countries, students. So that he was a great person and pride of our nation. Not only he has told guide all our people, he introduced our national philosophy to other countries, our other nation, students. Let us learn what is the childhood days and what are the childhood days of our Swami Vivekananda in the next class. Just read the lesson properly, students. Let's continue the lesson in the next videos. Thank you so much, students.